Yes, class. Today we will solve numerical number third, chapter number third. Okay. You just open page number 139 in your book, numerical number third. Now I'm start to read numerical number third at page number 130. A and B are partners sharing profit in ratio of A for A 1 upon 2 and for B 1 upon 3. So 1 upon 2 for A and 1 upon 3 for B. But if we want to calculate ratio, this is the share of A and B. Share of A is 1 upon 2 and share of B is 1/3. Okay. But if we want to calculate ratio, then the both denominator are to be equal. Okay. So first of all, A's share 1 upon 2 multiply by 3 and B share 1 upon 3 multiply by 2. So this is 3 upon 6 and 2 upon 6, and P and L ratio is 3 is to 2. Both denominator are equal with 3 and 2 stable. Now next there is a short line that and transfer to reserve 1/6. So this is senseless. Please cut this portion of numerical from your book, the transfer of reserve 1/6. Okay, cut this portion. The trial balance note, balance sheet. The balance sheet on 31st March 2017 was as follow: EPF, Employees Provident Fund 18,000, Reserve Fund 12,000, sundry creditors amount 10,000, P&L balance is 24,000, capital of A and B, only two partners are there. Capital of A and B 80 and 40,000. On asset side, goodwill amount 15,000, plant 19,000, patent 4,400, stock 30,000, investment 20,000, debtors 20,000 less PBD 400, 19,600, net cash balance is 5,000. Okay. Now come to other information. B retired on 1st April 2016. The terms were: number 1, goodwill is valued at rupees 50,000. Yes, this is the new value of goodwill, amount rupees 50,000. But we have also amount of goodwill in our balance sheet. In our balance sheet, the first amount is goodwill amount 15,000. We know that the old goodwill account mean in balance sheet. The old goodwill account of rupees 15,000 will be written off in both partners' capital account, and the retiring partner share will be calculated in amount 50,000. Both entries are made. First is old goodwill account is written off, and next is retiring partner share in 50,000 amount of goodwill. Next, value of patent is to be increased by 3,000, but plant was found overvalued by 15,000. If plant is overvalued by 15,000, then we will reduce the amount of plant by 15,000. So next, provision for doubtful debt, PBD 5% on debtors, and provision for discount should also be made on debtors and creditors at 3%. Yes, there are two provisions, one for PBD and another for provision for discount. And provision for discount also be made on debtor and creditor both. 3% discount on debtors and 3% discount on creditors. Discount on debtors is a loss and discount on creditors is a profit of firm. Out of insurance which was entirely debited to P&L account, 870 be carried forward as unexpired insurance. The mean of line that during the current year, total amount of insurance paid by firm we don't know, but in which 870 is paid for next year. The total amount don't given, but in which 870 related to next year. If we are pay any expense in advance, then it's known as a prepaid expense. If we are paid any expense in advance, then it's known as prepaid expense, and prepaid expense are our current assets. Okay, any prepaid expense is known as our current assets. So 870 is your current assets of prepaid expense. Investment revalued at rupees 16,000, but half of these investment were taken over by B. Total investment revalued at 16 and half mean 8,000 taken over by B. Okay, there is a claim of WCR to the extent of 5,000. A new reserve is created with WCR rupees 5,000. B was paid off in full full payment of B is made. Okay, the balancing figure of B's capital account. A borrowed the necessary money from the bank on the security of plant and stock to pay off B. Yes, we will see it later on that if cash balance is not sufficient for payment to B, then A borrowed loan from bank. We will see it later on at the end of numerical. Prepare revaluation account, capital account, and the balance sheet of A. Okay, so this is our numerical. All adjustment are good. The basically revaluation account of this numerical is better than numerical number 1 and 2. So first of all we will start from our revaluation account. There is two sides, debit and credit. Debit side represent the loss and credit side represent the profit on revaluation. First of all, point number 2, value of plant is to be increased by 3000. Patent. Patent is your assets, and assets increase, then it's a profit and transfer to CR side by rupees 3000. By patent amount rupees 3000. Plant overvalued. So if plant is overvalued, then value reduce or decrease, and decreased value is loss. Loss transfer to DR side to plant amount rupees 50,000. Patent increase CR and plant decrease DR. Okay. Next, a provision is made on debtors PBD 5%. Now come to PBD here. This is your PBD. PBD 600 how to be? The total debtor in your balance sheet is rupees 20,000. Okay, and the PBD rate is 5%. So 20,000 multiplied by 5% equal to 1,000. Your total PBD is 1,000, but we have already made PBD at rupees 400. Our total PBD is 1,000 and PBD already have 4,000. So our PBD is increased by rupees 600. So PBD increased by 600. Our liability is increased by 600 rupees. So to PBD amount rupees 600. PBD increase mean liability increase. Liability increase mean loss. Loss transfer to DR side. New PBD minus old PBD. New is 1000. Old is 400. Then increasing amount is 600. Transfer to debit side of revaluation account. Okay, come to next. Also provision for discount on debtors and creditors. Yes, this is here. To PBD and to PDD, provision for discount on debtor. How to be calculate? First of all, we will see then total debtors are rupees 20,000. Our new PBD is 1,000. 20,000 5%. 1,000. Net debtors are 19,000, and discount given to net debtors 19,000 into 3%. So PDD is 570. 19,000 multiplied by 3% is rupees 570. 570 is your PDD. This adjustment is taken from our class 11th class. ये जो एडजस्टमेंट है ना 11th क्लास में आता है कि हाउ टू मेड PDD. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टोटल डेप्टर में से PBD माइनस करो, फिर PBD माइनस करने के बाद जो आएंगे उस पर 3% क्या बनाना है, डिस्काउंट का आपको प्रोविज़न बनाना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इन आवर बुक there is the insurance which is prepaid rupees 870. Insurance prepaid is the current assets increase, then transfer to CR side rupees 870. It's easy adjustment. Investment revalued at 16,000. Okay, investment given in our book rupees 20,000 in balance sheet, but revalued at 16,000. Then amount of investment decreased by 4,000, then it's a loss. Transfer to DR side to investment amount rupees 4,000. Okay, next last point, there is a claim of WCR extent of rupees 5,000. WCR is a liability, worksman compensation reserve. Liability increase, then it's a loss, and loss transfer to debit side with rupees 5,000. Okay, these are one more. The discount on creditor also, provision for discount on creditor also 3%. Yes, discount on debtors is loss transfer to DR side, and discount on creditor is a profit transfer to CR side. Total creditors are 10,000. 10,000 multiplied by 3%, so 300 is your discount for creditor. Discount for debtors loss, and discount or creditors profit. Okay, now see it once. First of all, plant debit side, plant reduce loss 15,000. investment decrease, loss, DR side, WCR liability increase, loss, DR side, PBD 600, old is 400, new is 1000, difference is 600, PDD total 20,000 debtors less PBD 1000 new one, and debtors 19,000 into 3% 570. This is our debit side. In credit side, patent increased by 3000 profit, prepaid insurance increase 870 profit, discount on creditors our profit CR side. This is our transaction of DR and CR both. Now balance. Okay, debit side is higher. Total of debit side is 25,170. Okay, and total of credit side is 4,170. So 25,170 minus 4,170 equal to 21,000. Yes, 21,000 is loss of revaluation account, which is transferred to partners capital account in A or B's account in ratio 3 is to 2. So 12,600 for A and 8,400 for B, and total is 21,000 loss transferred to partners capital account in A or B in their profit sharing ratio. Okay, this is our revaluation account. All adjustment are good. Now next, partners capital account. There are two partner A, B, DR, A, B, CR. Okay, first of all we will start from balance sheet. Buy balance BD. Yes, buy balance BD is the opening balance of partners capital account which is taken from balance sheet. Buy balance BD, A's balance is 80,000 and B's balance is 40,000. Okay, now next we will check our balance sheet. Any other transaction related to capital account? Yes, second number, reserve fund. देखो EPF employees provident fund is not transferred to partners capital account because it's a right of employee. Okay, this amount is related to employee and transferred to employee's account at the time of his retirement. But reserve fund is a free reserve and we can transfer it in partners capital account. So buy reserve fund is a profit. Buy reserve fund amount 12,000 divided into A and B in 3 is to 2. So buy reserve fund 7,200 and 4,800, ratio 3 is to 2. Next, P&L. P&L amount 24,000 is also a profit. So buy P&L divided into 3 is to 2, 14,400 and 9,600. Okay, this is our liability side complete. In asset side, there is amount of goodwill amount to be 15,000. We know that the old goodwill account which is appeared in balance sheet written off at the time of retirement. So goodwill account is written off to goodwill. Partners capital account DR to goodwill. 9 and 6,000, 15,000 divided between A and B in their profit sharing ratio 3 is to 2. Okay, the whole concept, whole adjustment of balance sheet has been completed. Now come to next, balance of revaluation account, which is a loss transfer to partners capital account DR side to revaluation 12,600 and 8,400. Okay, come to next, other information. In other information, point number 1 is related to goodwill. That value of goodwill is 50,000. So first of all we will calculate B share in total goodwill. B share in goodwill, total goodwill is 50,000. B share is 2 upon 5. So 50,000 multiplied by 2 upon 5 is 20,000, and these 20,000 is B's share in goodwill, and this is pay to B by A. So journal entry is A's capital account DR to B's capital account, remaining partners capital account DR to retiring partner. A is debit and B is credit for rupees 20,000 of goodwill. So this entry is passed in your account. A is debit, so transfer to debit side of A to B 20,000 rupees, and B is credit, so buy A's capital account and transfer to 20,000 in B's capital account. A is debited and B is credited with rupees 20,000 of goodwill. Okay, the adjustment has been completed. B debit and A credit for amount of goodwill. Now adjustment number 5. The total investment valued as 16,000. Half of these investment were taken over by B. So half of mean 8,000. So rupees 8,000 debited to B's account. How? If any partner take assets from firm, then the amount of assets will be debited to your account, mean subtracted from your account. So 8,000 will be subtracted from B's account. So journal entry is B's capital account DR, to investment rupees 8,000. पार्टनर ने फर्म की एसेट्स खरीदी है तो उसे पैसा देना पड़ेगा, तो जितना पैसा उससे लेना है वो उसके कैपिटल अकाउंट में क्या कर दिया, डेबिट कर दिया, उसके खाते से काट दिया. To investment amount rupees 8,000. Okay, all adjustment completed. Now sheet again. First of all, buy balance BD. Next is reserve fund from balance sheet, P&L from balance sheet, old goodwill account written off from balance sheet. Okay, revolution account balance transfer, revolution account, investment taken over by B, half 16,000, 8 half thousand. Now next, goodwill 50,000, but B's goodwill is 20,000 in which, okay, and D's 20,000 debited to B and credited to, debited to A and credited to B. Now we will calculate the balancing figure of both account A and B. First of all, A, total of A is in credit side 1,01,600 and in debit side I think 39,600. Okay, 101,600 minus 39,600 and balance ED is 60,000. So balance ED of A's column is 60,000, CR minus DR. As per given information, B was paid full off. Okay, B's balance is paid off full. So total of B is credit side 74,400 and total of B's debit side is 8, 16, 16 plus 6. So 22,400. Okay, 74,400 minus 22,400, balance is 52,000. 52,000 paid to him to cash. To cash mean amount full paid to B. There is no loan account. Total of B's column is paid him full. So total is 74,400 minus debit side amount 22,400, balance 52,000 paid to him by cash. So to cash, and both account are closed. One account closed with cash and other account closed with balance CD. Okay. Now come to next. Next is our balance sheet. This is first of all liability side. Just a minute. First of all, liability side A's capital. This is balance ED of A, 60,000 rupees. Okay, EPF is taken from your old balance sheet. There is no change in EPF amount rupees 18,000. WCR is given in other information that a new WCR is created with rupees 5,000. So WCR transfer to balance sheet liability side 5,000 rupees. Creditors given 10,000 and 3% discount. ठीक है, तो 10,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3%, 300, then net creditors are 9,700. Okay, bank loan once left it. Okay, we will see it later on at the end of balance sheet. Now come to asset side. Plant rupees 90,000 but overvalued, then minus, net amount is 75,000. Patent 4,400, increased by 3,000, then 7,400. Stock as per given information 30,000, no change. Investment valued at 16, in which 8,000 purchased by B. So balance debtors, balance investment are 8,000, 16 total, 8 purchased by B and balance are 8. Now next, debtors. Total debtors are 20,000, 1,000 in new PBD, 20,000 multiplied by 5%. Net debtors are 90,000 and 19,000 minus discount 3%. So 19,000 into 3%, 570, and net debtors are 80,430 rupees. Okay, this is prepaid insurance 870 rupees. This is our current assets. Okay, now again, first of all, capital from balance CD of A, EPF from old balance sheet, WCR from other information, creditors from old balance sheet, and 3% discount minus 9,700. Bank loan we will see it later at the last. Plant 90,000, 15,000 overvalued, then net minus 75,000 rupees. Patent 4,400, increase 3,000, 7,400. Stock no change 30,000. Investment 60, taken over half by B, then net 8,000 balance. Debtor 20,000, new PBD 1,000 minus, then net 90,000. and 3% discount given, then 570 minus net is 18,430 and prepaid insurance rupees 870. Now come to cash balance. Yes, there is no cash balance. How can possible? Now check it. Calculation of cash balance available in your balance sheet is rupees 5,000. Okay, but you pay rupees 52,000 to be. How can possible? If there is cash is only 5,000, then how can pay 50,000 to be? Because difference is our bank loan. Yes, we take the firm taken bank loan. There is information that A borrowed necessary loan from bank. This is necessary loan borrowed from bank by A because payment is 52, balance only is 5,000, then difference of 47,000 taken, borrowed a loan from bank. So bank loan is rupees 47,000. 5,000 is available cash balance, payment is 52,000, then borrowed loan is 47,000 from bank. So bank loan, and there is no cash balance because the total cash is paid off to B. Okay, this is our numerical number third, and you do this numerical in your accountancy's fair notebook. Okay, and you will try numerical number 4 and submit this numerical in your assignment section. I'm telling you again and again, you do this homework daily, but no one doing it. Okay, so you try numerical number 4 and submit in your homework section. Now see it once. First of all, revaluation account. Okay, first of all, revaluation account. Second is partners capital account, and third is our balance sheet. Okay, these three statements are prepared by us. In this numerical, most wonderful adjustment, good adjustment in your revaluation account. All adjustment are good, just like this adjustment for discount. Okay, and another one is discount for creditor. This is a good adjustment. Prepaid insurance, good adjustment. On in capital account, investment purchased by B, this is a good adjustment. If a partner purchase asset, then amount debited to his capital account. Okay, and next, goodwill. Yes, goodwill is evergreen adjustment of chapter. In each numerical, this adjustment is carry on. That retiring partner goodwill debited to remaining partner and credited to retiring partner's capital account. Okay, now you do numerical number 4 in your homework section and submit it. Okay class, and this numerical third, do it in your homework in your fair book.